Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to connect and set up your JBL Live Beam 3 using the JBL application. First thing you want to do is to go to App Store or Google Play and install the JBL headphones application. As it is installed, open it on your smartphone. Now let's turn on our headphones, so take the JBL Live Beam 3 out of the charging case and make sure they're powered on. As you see, they are powered on already. If they are not, hold the button on each earbud until the indicator lights up. Now, on your application, choose your device, tap on it, and it will be connected. Your application will find your headphones automatically. Before that, don't forget to turn on your Bluetooth and make sure that you're connected. After connecting, the settings menu will open. So here you can adjust your equalizer to make the sound which you like. For example, something like this. Here you can check for your active noise, canceling ambient sound, and everything is super convenient. Don't forget to click on your others icon. Now let's press support, and here you can check for any updates of your headphones. If available, just follow the instructions to install them. After making all the changes, simply press save, and now your JBL Live Beam 3 is fully set up and ready to use. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.